Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to upload, download and list Azure Blobs. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am inside the Azure portal. So first of all, we will create the container. To create a container in the Azure portal, we have to navigate to the new storage account. So we'll have to first of all create a new storage account. Click on create storage. You see the blob here as well. Click on create. Oh, I was in my default directory. I am sorry. So you click on here, here, here. I have to switch to my default directory. Click on here, create a resource. Click on storage account. Come here. Click on create. Pay as you go. Create a new one. Blob RG. You can name it anything, but it should be unique. Test Azure storage. You can give any location. I'm going to go for US, East US. The performance would be standard. V2 read access geo redundant. You have the V1 as well. You can have a blob storage as well. So if you will click on here, blob storage, account kind is blob storage, and accounts with the select kind application performance type only support block and append blobs. So let's say you want to go for this. Click on networking. I'm leaving it with default. I'm going with the default options. I'm not creating any tags. Click on create. Here, I'm going to pause the video and come back as soon as it is done. All right, my deployment is done. I'm going to go to the resource, and when you have your storage account created, go into the blobs and click on containers. Select this plus container button, click on container and then create a container. Container name must be in lowercase and the public access default is private, no access. Select OK to create a container. You have this container with you. So now you will have to upload a blob. So you can upload any file or any folder upon here. Let me upload it and come back. So if you will click on upload, you will get this box. You have to click on this folder and upload a file or a folder. Placed this file, click on upload. So you can select the authentication type as the Azure AD account, or you can select for Azure key. Block type is block. You can block size is 4 MB, and then you can exit of it, complete it. You can cross it. The file is present here. Now, if you want to download the file, just click on, let's say you are in your storage account. You can click on here. You can go to your container. Click on your container. You can click on it. You can click on it. And then you can download the file. Just click on download and you can save the file and access it. So that is how you use the blob storage on the Azure portal. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye-bye.